Assalamualaikum and very good day to Dr. Kamarul and our fellow friends. Today in this video, my group and I will present on electric multicooker as our final project. Kitchen is one of the most important place as the place for cooking, cleaning, store food and drinks. In our daily life, we spend many time in the kitchen. Based on the factors, there's a lot of kitchen appliance. But there is advantage and disadvantage can be found in each kitchen appliance. Therefore, we choose electric multicooker to produce new ideas and design as a improvement. Here is the organization chart that led by MARCEL and assist by others two members, which are Fadzil, Azim and me, FAKHRUL. Next, I will talk on objective and our aims. First, to understand the flow of the product development process. Second, to understand the process of identifying a market opportunity by clearly defining the problem, developing a proper solution. And third, to establish design thinking for practical resolution of problem. So next is design problem. As we can see or observe in any online shopping platform or electrical appliance store, most of the electrical multicookers temperature controller cannot be set to specific temperature. Another problem which available electrical multicooker in the market is the inner pot cannot be separate from the body. So each time it need to be washed, the whole body exposed to the water. It was risky action because it can damage the electrical circuit inside. Here is our Gantt chart or project schedule. Gantt chart are most commonly used for tracking project schedule. This help to manage and guide our process to do not overdo from the specific date and follow the track.
Hi, my name is Marcel, and for this part, I will explain about our mission statement. So in this mission statement, we can see there's a lot of information we put in this table, like product description, key business goal, primary market, secondary markets, assumptions and constraints, and stakeholders. So the function of mission statement is to assist us in organizing each step of the process of developing a product for the industry. So this table shows importance weight of customer requirement, and as we can see in this table, we can see customer needs, need statement, label, and importance weight. So for customer needs, we can see there's a lot of requests we can see in this table, and for the needs statement, it explains about detail that we need for our design of the product, and for the label is like a simple summary for their requests, and for importance weight, it is measured with numbers such as 5 and 4. So this part explains about house of quality for our product development, and as you can see on the left top of this table, we can see an indicator which show the strength of each symbol. So for the first one, we can see there's a black point, fully black point, which means strong, and the second one is also black point but with a red white dot at the center of it, which means average, and for the triangle means weak. So as we can see here, there's a lot of information in this table, such as customer requirements and importance weight factor, and as we can see, each unit are represented with different aspects such as suitable material, temperature controller, inner port, non-stick surface, storage space, shape design, display panel, various color, and low heat conductor handle. And for the customer requirements is features, user friendliness, durability, aesthetic, safety, lightweight, and price. And here we can see a raw score for each part, and also relative weight, and also their rank order. For benchmarking, we chose two products which are available in the market today. So for the first one is mini multicooker and CX15B. And another product that we use as a benchmarking is Cornell 1.6 liter multicooker. So here is the table of systematic combination. So it includes sub-functions. For example, temperature controller, handle, and design concept, and alternative method. So the function of table of systematic combination is to find alternatives as many as we can for creating a design for our product, and where at the end of the process we're gonna analyze, and after analyzing everything we're gonna choose one alternative to be choose as our design. So for this table of systematic combination is an fully combined alternatives that we mix together with all sub-functions. And for in this table we can see there is 27 alternatives we have created, and for this project we have decided to choose alternative 17 as our design for our product, which includes push button features for temperature controller and U-shape handle, and the design concept will be comes in hemisphere shape. So now as we can see the drawing there, and this drawing is the conceptual sketch that we have chose for our product, and our product will be draw and create based on this sketching. So this is the main body of our product, which is polyethylene terephthalate, or can be called as PET. Now as you can see in this drawing, there is every detail of dimensions that we use to create this part, and as you can see there are 4 different dimensions in this drawing. And here we can see a drawing of pot cover which is made of glass, and inner pot which is made of 316 stainless steels. So now we can see body handle and lid handle drawing, which is also made of PET or polyethylene terephthalate.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Azim RAFIEE. I will present about part drawing. Firstly, we have main body of the electric multicooker. Here the part drawing. Next is the part drawing of the inner port. For that, we have part drawing of the pot cover. This pot cover that's made from glass. After that, we have lid handle that assembled with the port cover. For the last one of the part drawing, we have body handle that we assemble to the main body of the electric multicooker. As we can see, this is assembly drawing of the electric multicooker. This is the top view of the assembly drawing. This is left side view, front view, and bottom view. Finally, we have exploded view for the electric multicooker. That's all for us. Thank you.